Your knife fails, you die. That's the reality. Today we are ranking the top 15 fixed blade knives, the non-negotiables for your survival pack or your EDC. These are the blades that won't quit. We're kicking off with 15 budget-friendly workhorses that every American should own. If you value your prep and demand honest gear reviews, smash that subscribe button and join the Gear Nation. Now let's get into the steel. Tops Knives AIRWOLF. First up, let's talk American-made brute force. The Tops AIRWOLF. This isn't a showpiece, it's a certified survival workhorse. Forget, imagine hiking a damp trail. This knife is about when the job has to get done. Its full tang design means this blade is one solid piece of steel, giving you maximum strength for heavy batoning or demolition work. That ergonomic grip, it locks into your hand, giving you total control when you're carving a trap or performing serious bushcraft. The AIRWOLF is the tool that earns its reputation by surviving your toughest day. Simple, dependable, and built like a tank. Next, we've got the best bang for your buck entry, the SCHRADE SCHF 55 Frontier. This knife punches way above its price class. It's built on a thick spine and full tang that makes it a perfect, affordable batoning tool for shelter building. Look at the blade profile. It's designed to handle everything from cleaning game to making fine feather sticks for fire starting. The contoured handle stays comfortable through hours of prep, and it's rugged enough to survive being lashed to a stick for a makeshift spear. If you're assembling a minimalist bug out bag or just need a no-fail field knife that won't empty your wallet, the Frontier is the answer. Benchmade Anonimus. Now for a completely different animal, the Benchmade Anonimus. This is where tactical DNA meets premium survival. The Anonimus is for the user who needs quick deployment and a blade that is as capable on the street as it is in the wilderness. It features premium steel, giving you superior edge retention, and its balanced ergonomics make defensive maneuvers and controlled cuts feel absolutely natural. It's light enough for chest or belt carry, yet has the backbone for heavier camp duties. If your compact kit leans toward readiness and low-profile performance, the Anonimus is the fixed blade that stays composed when everything else is chaos. Buck 664 Alpha Hunter Pro. Moving on to a name synonymous with American heritage, the Buck 664 Alpha Hunter Pro. This knife isn't just sturdy, it's a field dressing machine. That drop point blade is perfectly contoured for clean, precise skinning and field work, while the textured grip ensures maximum control even when things get messy. Crucially, it's a full tang design, so you can confidently switch from delicate cuts to heavy batoning for fire prep. The Alpha Hunter Pro is your go-to, no-fail all-rounder, the definition of a reliable blade for long treks and serious outdoor chores. Next up, we have the Ultimate Prepper's Tool, the Gerber Gear Ultimate Survival Knife. This is utility overload in the best way. This knife is purpose-built for survival, meaning it's packed with features beyond just the blade. We're talking a rugged, user-friendly profile, a highly practical sheath with integrated storage, and often includes essentials like a fire starter or sharpener. It's designed for the camper or the prepper who demands a single, dependable tool for shelter tasks, cutting, and emergency rescue work. When you need a whole kit wrapped around a capable fixed blade, this is what you grab. SCHRADE GAMBIT Fixed Blade Knife. Finally, for this section, let's talk compact readiness with the SCHRADE GAMBIT Fixed Blade Knife. The Gambit perfectly blends tactical agility with practical survival. Its low-profile, minimal design makes it an excellent choice for easy, discreet carry, whether on your belt or vest. While trimmed down, the strong full-tang construction can still handle utility tasks, but it truly excels at precision cutting and, most importantly, self-defense maneuvers. If your priority is a no-nonsense, quick-access fixed blade that works equally well in an outdoor emergency or a defensive scenario, the SCHRADE GAMBIT delivers. Zune Loto Tactical Survival Knife. Next up, for those building their kit on a budget, check out the Zune Loto Tactical Survival Knife. This is a starter fixed blade, a reliable backup, or the perfect knife for your entry-level survival kit. It features a versatile profile that handles general camp chores, cutting, and slicing well. You'll get decent utility for trail tasks and car camping. Just a quick pro tip, it's a budget blade, so keep the heavy batoning to a minimum. Use it smart, and the Zune Loto 2 is a solid performer for the price. KIZER CABOX Fixed Blade Knife. Moving up in quality, we have the KIZER CABOX Fixed Blade. This is where refinement meets resilience. KIZER put serious premium manufacturing into this compact knife. Its mid-size ergonomic design gives you excellent confident control for detailed field work, like preparing tinder or fine carving. If you need a blade that offers precision cutting, along with the everyday toughness required for a serious outdoor knife, the CABOX is a solid investment that punches well above its weight class. REGAL Edge Knives Fixed Blade Knife. Finally, for this batch, we look at the REGAL Edge Fixed Blade Knife. This knife is all about accessibility and tactical speed. It's feather light with a tactical profile, making it a dream for easy carry and quick deployment. We're talking ideal for neck or belt carry. While it won't replace your heavy chopper, it excels at quick utility cuts and emergency tasks. If your priority is a fast, low-drag, no-nonsense fixed blade that you can access immediately, the REGAL Edge is a fantastic entry point. Tops BAJA 4.5. When you need a knife to absolutely abuse, you go straight to the Tops BAJA 4.5. This knife is short, compact, and unapologetically brutal. Its defining features are the thick blade profile and heavy-duty spine, making it a batoning champion. You can pound this thing through dense wood to process kindling and build shelter, tasks that would snap a thinner blade. It's an easy-carrying workhorse that lives up to the Tops reputation for hard-use survival gear. If your bushcraft involves serious effort and you demand a no-fail tool, the BAJA 4.5 is a top contender. Next, we have another great utility piece from SCHRADE, the SCHF 39 GUIDEMASTER. This is a classic full-tang design that prioritizes comfort and reliability. Its roomy ergonomic handle is built for extended use, preventing hot spots during long processing sessions. The stout blade profile is versatile enough for everything from field dressing game to the heavy lifting of shelter construction. The GUIDEMASTER is the affordable, no-frills knife that consistently performs under pressure. It's the perfect primary camp knife or the rugged backup you absolutely trust in your pack. TERZUOLA Survival Rescue Knife. Finally, we look at a highly specialized blade, the CRKT or TERZUOLA Survival Rescue Knife. This knife is purpose-built for when the stakes are highest, rescue and emergency scenarios. The blade geometry and handle ergonomics are specifically designed to support controlled cuts and serious pry tasks without fail. It seamlessly blends tactical functionality with essential utility, making it perfect for search and rescue SAR personnel or the serious prepper. If your kit demands a knife that is equally reliable in a high-stress emergency response pack as it is on a remote backcountry trip, the TSR is an incredibly smart choice. Up next is the SCHRADE SCHF 55 Frontier, the little knife that feels big on performance. While it's smaller than SCHRADE's heavy hitters, this blade is all about portability and control. That stout build gives it enough backbone for core outdoor chores, but its compact size truly excels at detailed carving and food preparation. This is your answer if you prefer a lighter fixed blade that still feels substantial in the hand. The Frontier delivers reliable, practical performance in the perfect minimalist package. Cold Steel Bushman. Now for a legend, the Cold Steel Bushman. This isn't just a knife, it's perhaps one of the most versatile survival tools ever made. The magic is in the unique hollow handle, which allows you to seamlessly lash it to a pole, instantly transforming it into a spear for hunting, fishing, or crucial defensive use. Built from durable high-carbon steel, you can hammer it, you can baton it, you can thrust it, all without fearing a failure point. The Bushman is a true bushcraft icon that is absolutely proven across countless outdoor adventures. Condor Bushlore, and finally capping off our list is a modern bushcraft classic, the Condor Bushlore. This knife is a community favorite because it delivers simplicity and raw performance. It features a 1075 high-carbon steel blade, which is famous for being incredibly easy to sharpen in the field. This gives you smooth control for carving, skinning, and handling all your essential camp chores. The traditional wooden handle provides a natural, reliable grip even when wet. The Bushlore is the knife you carry when you demand classic reliability and field-ready toughness without any unnecessary flash. Alright, that's the list. 15 fixed blades ready for hell and back. Every single one of these knives is a non-negotiable tool built for maximum toughness, reliability, and real-world field performance. Which one is going into your bug-out bag today? Let me know your top pick in the comments below. And before you click away, if you want the hard truth on gear, hit subscribe to join the Gear Nation for more exclusive survival tests, tactical reviews, and head-to-head knife battles. We'll see you in the next video.